Presenting a pre-owned 2020 Ford Mustang GT Premium. This two-door coupe has an 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford is a great value with less than 49,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, and Bluetooth. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.